Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Best overall. Island Oasis Pina Colada fruit puree for extra points. Add pineapple fronds, drink umbrellas, or colorful fruit as garnish. This beverage mix is blended from real pineapples and coconuts for an authentic flavor. It's gluten-free and made without artificial preservatives.
Let's help you make your mark.
A vodka pina colada, also known as a chi-chi, is a simple riff on the classic pina colada that uses vodka as the base spirit instead of rum. From there, you're still employing coconut cream and pineapple juice as your mixers, and serving the drink in a hurricane glass, if you've got one.
Take our lead.
Pina colada mix and pre-mix. These pina colada mix drinks can be drunk straight from the bottle if you prefer a non-alcoholic virgin pina colada cocktail. Made with cream of coconut and pineapple juice, just add your rum and crushed ice and blend for an instant pina colada.
Take our lead.
Malibu, $15. If you're looking for an extra coconutty pina colada that's lighter on the alcohol, Malibu is a solid rum choice. Because it's only 42 proof, you can drink a couple without getting too tipsy. It's also great for those who want to up the creamy coconut notes and downplay the fruity pineapple flavor.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Properly stored, unopened pina colada mix will generally stay at best quality for about 12 to 18 months when stored at room temperature, although it will usually remain safe to drink after that. If pina colada mix develops an off odor, flavor or appearance, it should be discarded.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.